What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're unboxing a Husky 41-inch 7 mobile drawer workbench with a wood top. So this is in white color. Where's the manuals? Put that away. Ta-da! So that's what it's gonna look like, guys. Oh, there we go. There it is. So that's gonna be my new setup for home use, and I'll show you guys what it's gonna look like after. So that's what it looks like, guys. And since they're keys, so right there it comes with 2 keys and the liners for the drawers. So right now the other ones are just bare white, but it'll be good to have the liners in there. And I think right here is the handle, and the casters are in this box. So I'm probably gonna get rid of these stickers. Anyways, I'm gonna put the handle and the wheels. Alright, so this is the handle, and it comes with the hardware, which is four screws, and you're gonna need an Allen key, which is 5 and 30 seconds. So it's pretty simple. You just basically line them up like that. I don't think there's any left or right. They look pretty even to me. So you just pretty much screw them in like so. So let's start with this side. So that was it, guys. 4 screws and your handle is on. It's in place now. So next step, the casters. There's the casters, and oh, the rims looks pretty nice actually. There it is, nice rims. And there's your hardware. Oh, and it comes with a tool. It comes with an Allen key as well. Alright, so basically I laid it on its side. I used the foams so that it won't scratch the back side, like so. So yeah, so now it's easy to put the casters on. I'm just gonna screw them all, which is gonna be about 16 in total. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, this is the one that swivels, and this one is just steady. So basically you want this side the opposite of where the handle is, because you want the swivel part to be where your handle is, so it's easier to move. So I'll take 4 of these, and basically, so this doesn't really matter because they swivel, right? So basically you just wanna line up the holes. Surprisingly, this doesn't come with washer at all. Alright, so basically I started all by hand first, and now I'm gonna suck it in with my power tool. So you don't wanna crank on it, but you know, just slowly get it in. And of course this thing failed. Alright guys, so the wheels are on and they are tight. I guess use the Allen key that it came with. I mean, you can get enough leverage to tighten it down. I really wish that they did include washers with it, but it is what it is. So later on I might put washers in them. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see. So yeah, I'm gonna stand it out now and show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, so that is the final look. I mean, it's not perfect. It's not like my snap-on box, that's for sure. This one feels a little flimsy, and there's some minor defects right here, like I don't know what's going on there. Plus, but for 500 bucks, I mean, I guess it's not bad. I actually got it on sale for $445, so. But the liners are on now, so this is what's gonna look like. It's got one for pretty much all the drawers. So this one, when it comes to a certain point, it just kind of gets sucked in by itself, like right there, and then it just kind of goes in. So there it is guys. That is the Husky 41-inch with 7 drawers and wood tabletop. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.